Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning 25 most common verbs. Let's get started. To be,
이다,
to have,
있다,
to do,
하다,
to go,
가다,
to come,
오다,
to see,
보다,
to know,
알다,
to think,
생각하다,
to say,
말하다,
to want,
원하다,
to give,
주다,
to take,
가지다,
to use,
사용하다,
to find,
찾다,
to tell,
말하다,
to work,
일하다,
to call,
부르다,
to feel,
느끼다,
to try,
시도하다,
to ask,
묻다,
to need,
필요하다,
to become,
되다,
to leave,
떠나다,
to put,
놓다,
to mean.
의미하다,
Quiz time.
부르다, 부르다, 사용하다, 사용하다, 알다, 알다, 주다, 주다, 필요하다, 필요하다, 가다, 가다,
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.